Welcome to your Wake Up Hatha Yoga with Simone. Take a step to the front of your mat, stand tall. Inhale as you open your arms, bring the palms together. Exhale as you fold all the way to the floor. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, open the arms and bring them back together above your head. Exhale, bring the palms to the heart. Inhale, open and stretch. Exhale as you fold. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look forward. Exhale, fold your head to the knees. Inhale, rise up, palms meet at the top. Exhale and bring your hands back in front of the heart. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, open the arms, stretch. Exhale and dive all the way down. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look forward. Exhale and step back into your plank. As you lower your knees, release the toes and lower your body to the floor. Keep the elbows pointing backwards. Inhale as you come up and exhale as you lower back to the floor. Come back onto your knees and press back into your downward facing dog. It's just starting to bend the knees one at a time as you walk your dog. And press your heels back, come onto your tiptoes, and then just begin to walk back to the front of your mat. Inhale as you lengthen your spine and look forward. Exhale as you fold. Inhale, rise up, bring the hands back together at the top, and exhale and bring the hands back in front of the heart. Inhale, arms up as you stretch and look up. Exhale as you fold, fingertips to the floor. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale as you step your feet back into a plank. Lower your knees, release your toes, and lower the body to the floor. Inhale, lift the chest, shine your heart. Exhale and lower. Push back onto your knees and back up into downward facing dog. Press your chest back towards your thighs. Just hold it here for a breath, and then you're going to begin to walk your feet back to the front of the mat. Inhale as you lengthen, look forward. Exhale, lower the head to the knees. Inhale, open your arms, rise up, bring the palms together at the top. And exhale and bring them back together in front of the heart. So we're going to do a few standing poses now. So just open your legs as wide as you can. Turn your back foot about 45 degrees, your front foot forward, and inhale as you raise the arms up. Exhale and bend into your front knee. Now you just want to turn your head and look over your middle finger, and we're in our warrior 2 pose. Just check that your shoulders are relaxed and down away from the ears. And just check that your knee is directly above your ankle. Your back leg is straight. And then we're going to straighten the front knee. Inhale, exhale, and lean to the side. When you've gone as far as you can, then you tip your arms so that one is resting on your shin and the other arm is straight up in the air for your triangle pose. So we're just stretching the side of the body. You can either keep your head turned up towards the ceiling or turn towards the front. Inhale and come on back up to standing. Exhale as you bend your knee and then rest your elbow onto your knee for your side angle pose. You can either leave your hand on your hip or raise your hand all the way up to the ceiling. So it's entirely up to you where you feel more comfortable. And then come back up to standing and exhale your arms back down. I'm going to turn to the other direction, so you're going to turn your other foot to the 45-degree angle and the other foot is straight ahead. You're going to inhale the arms up and exhale and bend your knee. Again, coming into your warrior two pose. So you just want to check that both arms are level and your shoulders are down away from the ears. And then straighten your leg. Stretch as far forward as you can, and when you've gone as far as you can, tip one arm down to rest on your shin just lightly, and the other hand or the other arm straight up towards the ceiling. So you're stretching from floor to ceiling with your arms. Keep your torso lengthened and then come back up. Again, bend into your knee, rest your elbow onto your knee and raise your other arm straight up into the air. Remember, you can keep your head either facing forward or turn your head up to look towards the ceiling. So it's up to you. If you're having neck issues, just keep your head facing forward. We're going to come back up to standing. We're going to straighten the leg and we're going to exhale and bring the arms back down. This time we're going to turn our feet, both feet facing forward. Inhale, going to take a gentle back bend. Exhale as you fold forward from the hips. Your hands are on your hips. And then you can bring them down to either grab hold of your shins, your ankles, or you can wrap your index finger and thumb around your big toe. So depending on where you're at today, remember not to take it too far, be gentle. If necessary, you can keep a bend in the knees if this is strong on your hamstrings. And just remember to be folding from your hips. So no rounding in the back. If necessary, just stay up with your hands resting on your thighs. So if you are folded all the way down, just rest your hand, bring your hands to center, bring your hands to your hips, and then roll on back up. And step your feet together. Let's take a big inhale together as you stretch up and look up, palms together, and then bring them down back in front of your heart. Enjoy the rest of your day. Namaste.